and up. No, it doesn't work. Maybe you can even hear that I'm pressing, and you can hear the clicking, but nothing happens, shows here. Hi everyone, today we'll be looking to this one, to the Xbox One controller. This came from that bundle that I opened some time ago. Only now I had time to start to check these, so since there are plenty of them. So this one over here says that the D-pad up it's bad, so I guess this one over here. But let's try to connect it and see if that is the only issue or there is something more. As you can see, this misses the cover, so they came like that. So I have I think a spare part somewhere, so I should be able to cover it. But if you want to check how to disassemble, so you can check my other video. I have it how you should disassemble it. So I think it's connected, so let's see. You just come here to control panel of Windows, so you can see it here, control panel. So this is the one, and you come to devices and printers, and then controller and game controller settings, and I think advanced. Nope. Properties. Okay, so properties, then it shows. Okay, so seems that it got disconnected, so it's connected again. So let's try the buttons here. So all of these seems to be working. Here in the back as well working. So all the back buttons are working. This one as well, this one as well. Here the joystick itself, all good, and the other one all good. And now let's check the D-pad. So you can see over here that to the left it's fine, down fine, right fine, and up no, it doesn't work. Maybe you can even hear that I'm pressing, and you can hear the clicking, but nothing happens, shows here. So I'm not sure what is the issue, so we probably need to disassemble a bit more over here, this part, and we probably need to check what is under here. Maybe it's dirty or something like that. I hope that it's the easy solution, but let's check it out. Okay guys, so let's disassemble this button and see what actually here is the problem with this inside. So to take off these, actually it's not that hard. Here you just come with some tweezers, and you just can fill it in here in the side, and then it just pops up here in the bottom and the other as well. Even if you can maybe even do it by hand. So, and the top part as well comes out, and then the button just comes out like this. So looking at these, I don't see anything bad. I press, you can hear it, but this you could hear previously. So seems to be okay. Compared with the other ones, I don't see any issue. Let's check again this with the computer. Maybe it's something here not doing the contact well. Let's try to check with the computer. Okay, we are here back to the computer, so let's see what happens now with the cable on. Okay, I just just connected it. So let's go to control panel. We are here, devices and printers again, and it's over here, and game control settings. Okay, so here we are. Let's just check with the tweezers to see if we can see something happening or not. Okay, oh, see something, it's happening. Okay, seems, I'm not sure if you can see, but I'm just pressing right in the middle of the button here, and nothing happens. But if I press a bit up or a bit down, then everything is fine. And I think here is the button. You see it has here some parts that are higher than others. This one is from the top. Let's see if yeah, so I cannot, pressing with the button it doesn't work, and the button itself cannot go up or down, because you can see over here it has these all these things here on all sides. Oh, sorry, these and over these here, so it will fit here right in this let's see if you can see here in these places, one here, another and another. So I cannot move it like a little bit up like I wanted as well. Here it's the center of the button, that actually here in the middle of the button you have as well the piece of plastic that fits here right in the middle. So it doesn't work like that. So I wonder what we could do. So probably we need to maybe open it a bit more and see here exactly what's here in the inside of this button, because maybe some connection here is broken and then it doesn't make proper contact. So disassemble this. Okay, so we are back here to disassemble all the controller. So if you want to check how to disassemble the controller, you can check my other video. I'll put it here, and then you can see it how it's done. So let's fix now this. So as you can see, maybe you can, yes, you can see it has here some protective plastic on the top, so you should take it. So let's see if we can take these. I'm using a tweezers, but maybe not the best idea. Okay, so here there is already some things that we can grab on, but in some other places, for example here, it's not good. So as well, an option is to use here some plastic pick or something like that. Otherwise, with the metal tweezers, you can always risk that you scratch some connections here. So I just grab it and I will pull it, and okay, so seems okay. Let's put a few of them just to see what is the difference. Okay, so maybe you can see already the difference. So in the middle of this one here, you can see, I'm not sure what it is, if it's dirty. It seems this is just dirty, because here you cannot see anything, any discoloration at all. And here in the back as well, there is some white stuff. So maybe just some cleaning here. Actually, that would be the ideal scenario if you would just need some cleaning. So I have here some toothbrush, so I will here clean a little bit, and over here as well. And probably I will need here some Q-tips to clean, probably with IPA. And now here close by I don't have any, so I will pick one Q-tip and bring just to clean this one. Okay, so we are back with Q-tip, and let's use here some IPA. you can buy it. I guess general electronic stores has these. So let's clean this just to see if this will. Maybe it was just dirt inside. So let's wait a bit for this to dry. I can clean it as well with Q-tip. Okay, it dried. You can see still a little bit whitish. But let's see if this is not an issue. I don't want here to scrape here actually the board itself, the contact itself, otherwise it will be, I don't want to scratch anything. So it might be okay. Here as well the cover of the button, not cover but where it makes the contact as well, it has here some white stuff. I'm trying to clean it. It's very hard for you to see, but it's just now it's very faint. In the beginning it was more. So just to see if this actually will help anything. If not, then probably I will try some different things, but we could just clean it. And let's take here all some airs, okay, from the cotton of the Q-tips. So I guess it's okay. So let's mount this again in the controller. I will skip this part of mounting it, and then we can see if it will do something, help here something or not. Okay, I just mounted everything and put everything back into place, and now let's see if it will work. Well, it presses fine, as you can hear, and let's connect and see if everything is fine, or that was not the issue and we need to do something more. So control panel, game controller settings, and over here, okay, so let me take the mouse, put this a bit more up. Okay, so everything else seems it's working fine, so it's not an issue. But now let's see, so down, left, right, and up. Okay, so it does work fine. I'm pressing, and no issue there. So quite a easy thing to do. Yeah, so the most problematic issue here is that small plastic that is underneath over here in the button itself. So let's take again this cover. Like I was saying, the issue here, you can see it has here some protective plastic on top of the buttons itself. So that is the more tricky part to take out. If you had some other issue, maybe with these contacts here, these metal ones, maybe you can order some replacement ones. I'm not sure. I didn't find out. I just first wanted to check what is under it, and only then I wanted to be sure that the issue was with this metal thing, or would be something in the contact underneath, because actually it's the first time I had I have some issue here under it. So for this one, actually it was quite easy. So always the best is to open and to check what is under it. Even in this case, you would not need to go to some special shop or wherever to get it fixed, because just with IPA, isopropanol, or maybe even some Now there is this WD-40 that is specific for electronics, so you can clean it with that, and it helps. But for this one you need it really to open and to clean it. I'm not sure why some dirt went under it, which is strange because it has this protective cover of plastic, so not sure. But at least it was an easy one to fix. So hope this helped someone. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.